Mud Tech on location. Looking at a sinking house here today. This part of the structure is on a crawl space. Naturally tipping this way. And this side, been repaired once already. The whole house is tipping with it. So now it's a little harder to see out here. This is the room where the bottle's rolling. This crawl space section is actually up on blocks. The back section over here, where it's got the basement, once this mess is cleaned up, then we can get in there and begin lifting the side of this house with a combination of grouting and helical piers. We've got to come up about 8 inches on this side, and this is the lowest corner. It's also got to go that way diagonally. It's got to go up and diagonally. Get this place back level. Quick shot from the lakeside. Wish I could walk back further, but I can't because the water. Whole house down. This corner we're saying is the only corner that's still on original grade based on the engineer's findings. This whole structure is tipped that way. This is an example of how unlevel this whole house is.